careful, 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 careful. Rosie, do it.
Is that mayonnaise delicious? Can you say, I love mayonnaise?
I love mayonnaise.
You having a mayonnaise sandwich?
No.
What's going to be on your sandwich? What's that called?
Mayonnaise.
Mustard?
Mustard.
You can have mayonnaise and mustard? What else are you going to have on your sandwich? What else are you going to have on your sandwich?
I don't know.
Turkey?
Turkey on my sandwich. I'm going to put it on there first